안녕하세요, KEYO입니다. Welcome back. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is KEYO. If you're returning, well then, welcome back. Today we have a very exciting video. This is brought to you by NoMakeNoLife. It is a subscription box for Korean makeup products. And we all know how much I love my Korean skincare stuff and makeup. So this is the box. It is super cute, pink. It's got the Korean symbol for love. It's got makeup, beauty. Let's get into it. I'm also corrected. It is Japanese and Korean. Still pink and still glamorous. And our goodie! Okay, so inside of the box, you get your pretty much little like description of everything that's in here. And this is volume 27. So they've been doing this for a while. The next thing I noticed inside of the box is this cute little package with little like daisies and flowers and stuff like that called Boku. It is a makeup sponge. There's actually 6 of them in there. 6. And they just look like, you know, your pink little like wedge sponges. So that's always good because, you know, I go through so many sponges. Definitely gonna be using that. I need to stock up. The next thing I noticed in the box is this cute little box, and look at that art. I adore that. That is adorable. Yes. This is a hand cream, Princess Snail hand cream. And I'm definitely going to be using this because, you know, coming out of the winter season here, my hands definitely need it. Enhances skin luminosity and hydrates your skin. Gotta love English translations. Ooh, and it's even on the package. That's adorable. Hold on. Tools. No adulting. No adults needed. Got it. Yeah, I think it's like fragrance free, honestly. And this is a Korean product. The other one was more Japanese. Next. So this is a product that a lot of people get with their shipping stuff. It is kind of a universal thing. Yep. The next thing that is coming out of the box looks like a sheet mask. It is a berrysome pecking Oprah Mask series for the queen. This is made with red wine and adenosine. This also is Korean, and I'm definitely going to be using this. I go through so many sheet masks as it is, and this is definitely an interesting one, and I love the packaging. Look at the packaging. Super cute. So the next thing in the box, which looks like it is Japanese, is called Stress Relieving Refresh Your Day Pure Full Cleansing Tissues. Not sure if... I'm assuming that these are kind of like makeup remover wipes. They come in this cute little yellow package. And it says, refreshing, reviving, refining, and relaxing. Stress relieving cleansing tissue gently cleanses and leaves your skin moisturized through 3 steps of purifying, soothing, and moisturizing. Natural citrus fragrance invigorates and freshens your skin. Specially developed Pureful Cocktail removes microdust and dust and impurities for healthier, pureful skin. So I'm definitely going to be using these too, because I go through so much of that stuff, and right now it's actually getting like extremely hot in this area, so I definitely need to refresh my skin. So these will definitely be helpful. Next up in the box looks like a Japanese product, which looks rather interesting. It is a Shea Butter Moisture Cream, and I'm always looking for good stuff on my legs. You know, after you shave, after you shower, after you gotta put on some stuff. I'm still trying to figure out the perfect moisturizer for my legs and for my skin. It's taken thus far to find one. The next one is a Japanese product. And I've actually been using these to scrub my face, but it is one of like the little moistured, sticky, gooey sponges. I have one that I let hydrate with water, and then it dehydrates when you're not using it, and then you gotta rehydrate it again. So it's kind of very similar to this. I'm probably gonna throw that away and start using this one because I'm greatly looking forward to this product. Yeah. Smooth Magic. I don't really need this one, but it might be good to kind of massage my feet I don't really take my socks off. Okay, for those of you who have been here and have not been here, I don't really take my socks off. I don't like being barefoot. I hate walking anywhere with no socks. I hate open-toed shoes, stuff like that. So my feet are usually pretty soft as it is. But this is like a foot scrubber kind of thing. It does show you where to go ahead and use it and, you know, stuff like that. Maybe, you know, I might have somebody that could use this more than I could, but hey, I mean, you get stuff that you're not gonna use sometimes. Might be interesting to give it a try. Now the last two things in this box, really cute chapstick. This is a bonus. I used to be on like this Hello Kitty fad a couple years ago where I would just buy everything Hello Kitty. I'm still on a cinnamon roll fad, and I just got some Toki Doki things today. I'm definitely always in need of chapstick because of the amount of liquid lipstick that I wear. So at night I will go ahead and use like a regular chapstick, and oh, this is cherry flavor. And this one is red mango. I'm not really sure what this is. It is a Korean product. Really the cutest packaging ever. I mean, it looks like a little candy. Not exactly sure like if it's supposed to be like a lip stain. Ooh, okay. Let's use it. It's pretty crazy. It actually, legitimately, looks like blood. That is definitely up my alley, and I do have an idea of what I want to use this for, so maybe the days... Ooh, that actually does stain. By far the cutest packaging I've ever seen. We need more stuff like this in the States. Definitely. I think that would sell. So that was pretty much everything in the box. You got the chapstick, the lip stain, the sponge, the makeup wipe face refresher, the face mask, which I'm probably going to do after this, the makeup wedges, the foot feel-gooder, the hand cream, the shea butter, and the Night Spa Volume 27 from April 2019. Oh, it even has a little horoscope in here. Let's see what mine is. Okay, guys. Okay. So, y'all have, maybe always seen my hair. You've seen the last so many years worth of videos. Mine says pink hair. It was meant to be. And I'm just waiting to join that K-pop group. So yeah, further looking into this stuff, it actually does tell you the products that you have. There are new products that they are introducing to the boxes. They do have like, it's all numbered, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it kind of continues pretty much what they're supposed to be used for if you don't know. Like I said, this is a Japanese / Korean makeup box. So, I mean, nothing about it besides the booklet is in English. Thankfully, I can somewhat read Korean, and I'm pretty excited. That is my so that is my box from NoMakeNoLife. I will put a link down in the description box so you guys can go and check it out yourself. Whatever other links or discounts or anything that I can find, I will put those in the description box for you. This is the first one that I've actually ever tried, and I'm in love with it. If you liked what you saw, definitely click that thumbs up button for me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do put out content, just not as often as I used to. We'll talk about that soon. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video.